Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara, and I'd like to share with you a breath practice that's called the Bellows breath. Sometimes you might hear it called the Bhastrika Pranayama. There are times when a more energizing breath might be appropriate. If you're feeling sleepy or sluggish or uninspired, if your mind feels dull, lacking focus, then the Bellows breath is a great way to kind of reset, bringing energy into the body while establishing a fresh clarity in the mind. Okay, so when we work with the Bellows breath, we're working with both sides of the breath, both accentuating the inhale and accentuating the exhale. Okay, you can breathe through the nose or through the mouth. Okay, the important point is to really pull the breath forcefully all the way down into the belly and then forcefully release the breath from the body. Okay, you could place a hand over the belly button just to kind of be aware of the movement of the breath. Okay, so what it's going to look like is something like this. I'll take an inhale. Nice and expansive, and then the exhale, nice and complete. Okay, drawing the breath in, forcing the breath out. Okay, it's really as simple as that. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. Okay, and we'll do 10 repetitions. We're going to do 2 rounds. We'll take a little break in the middle where we can return to a normal breath. Each round will have 10 repetitions. Okay? If at any point you feel lightheaded or if you feel out of breath, just return to your natural breath. Okay? So I'll begin and you can join in whenever you feel ready. Return to your natural breath. Just being aware of any sensations in the body, quality of your mind. Okay, and now we can do another round. If you're feeling like that was enough for you, you can just rest in your natural breath. Okay, so I'll begin again and you can join in whenever you feel ready. Again, just allowing yourself to return to your natural breath. Observe the quality of any sensations in the body. You might feel some sort of energy in the body. Be aware of the quality of your mind. Notice if it feels maybe a bit still. Just more open to whatever your present moment experience is. Okay, blinking your eyes back open if they're closed. Okay, this practice is great first thing in the morning, gets you up and going, or maybe later in the day when you need something to move you on through the rest of your day. Okay, use it well and enjoy.